Well, from what I can gather, it's going to be rain all week. Well, from further in Hintsmore, what you call a week. And when I was growing up, I was always taught in school not even to let your flag touch the ground, let alone burn your flag. I just think it's just so disgusting how our world has taken this turn.